Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today in this video, I'm going to show how to set default web browser in macOS. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. To set the default web browser in macOS, open System Settings and then go to the Desktop and Dock tab. Now scroll down to the Widget section. Now under the Widget section, click on the Default Web Browser option and then from the drop-down Options menu, select the browser you want to set as the default web browser and you're done. So that was in hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.